Hello and welcome back. In this video, you will learn to identify 4 extremely powerful candlestick patterns. Before I begin, I just want to reiterate the following. Candlestick patterns shouldn't be used in isolation to determine trade validity. Candlesticks should only be a mere tool in your strategy. Now, let's dive into candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns are simply one or a combination of candles that are easily identifiable, and can potentially support a short-term forecast of price direction. Patterns are usually grouped into either being bullish or bearish, where bullish patterns indicate that the price is likely to rise, and bearish patterns indicate that the price is likely to fall. Furthermore, patterns are also categorized as reversal patterns, or continuation patterns, which are pretty self-explanatory. The first candlestick pattern, and probably the most widely known, is the engulfing pattern. As with all the candlestick patterns we will be discussing, there's a bullish pattern, and a bearish counterpart. Let's take a look at the bullish engulfing. As hinted in the name, the bullish engulfing entails a bullish candle that has a body that engulfs a previous bearish candle's body. In addition to this, the bullish engulfing requires a preceding short-term downtrend of at least a couple of candles. Furthermore, the bullish candle within the engulfing pattern shows that buyers pushed back against the downwards pressure and reversed downwards momentum. This indicates that the buyers are in control and there is buying strength in the market. The next pattern we are looking at is a reversal pattern containing only one candle. This is the hammer on the bullish side and the shooting star on the bearish side. The hammer is identifiable by the short body near the top of the candle, with a relatively long lower wick. The inverse, aka the shooting star, similarly is identifiable by the short body near the bottom of the candle, with a relatively long upper wick. The dynamics of this pattern is very similar to that of the engulfing pattern. For example, the hammer also requires a preceding short-term downtrend. Furthermore, this single candle pattern shows a rejection of downwards pressure and essentially a trend reversal, indicating that the buyers are now in control. The main difference between the bullish engulfing and the hammer, for example, is that the hammer's rejection happened in the same session as the last bit of the bearish downward trend. The next contender set we are looking at is a 3-candle reversal pattern. None other than the bullish morning star and the bearish evening star. The morning star is identifiable by a preceding downtrend, followed by a bearish candle, then a doji-like centerpiece, and ending with a bullish candle. What a mouthful! The evening star, similarly, is just the inverse bearish counterpart. This pattern shows that there was a period of equilibrium in the market. A brief moment in time, where buyers and sellers were semi-evenly matched, just before the market reversed, and the opposite side took control. The last, but not least, pattern set we'll be touching on, is the tweezer top and tweezer bottom. In my opinion, this is the rarest of the 4, but also the most powerful. The bullish tweezer bottom is identifiable by 2 candles, one bearish and one bullish, having similar sized bodies, consisting about a quarter to half of the candle's full length, with relative long lower wicks. The wicks of both candles do not necessarily have to be of similar length. The tweezer top and tweezer bottom are also reversal patterns. Hence, for the tweezer bottom, a preceding short-term downtrend is required. Now, look at the lower wicks of both candles. What makes this setup so exceptional is the fact that the initial trend is being rejected twice, once in each candle. An interesting side note before I leave you: if you lower the time frame, you'll see double tops or double bottoms forming. If you don't know what these are, subscribe and stay tuned. In the next video, we will look at cherry-picked example candlestick patterns on real charts. We'll also look at how candlestick patterns can be traded, as well as see different variations of each pattern. If you have any feedback or requests, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, ciao.